In this guide, I'm going to show you how to build a ring farm on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, join the game. You're going to unlock your garden area over here, and there is a lot of stuff over here. But once you have your plot, you need to place your seed in here. It's going to give you this carrot one to start off. You'll notice that it's going to water it, and then it's going to slice it all up, which allows you to go ahead and do this. Now, you can buy more seeds from the seed shop, which I'll show you in a sec. But the first thing you're really going to want to start focusing on is actually expanding your plot right here. You can unlock these for more money. Make sure you're doing this whenever you have the chance to, because this is going to allow you to make more in the long run. Once you go ahead and get this though, essentially just go ahead and go over to pull lever. Just pull this down just like so. It's going to start giving you random seeds. Go ahead and purchase one that is good and then place it in one of these things. Then the water thing's going to go around, water them up, and this is going to swallow them up, which is going to then put all of your money over here where you can pick up your crops in these crates, take them over to this sell lady, and sell them right here. Now, obviously, as you can see, you can expand very far on here. You can increase your seed luck, which of course you're going to want to do. And there's also going to be upgrades over here like the saw yield, saw range, as well as sprinkler power. Upgrade all of your upgrades whenever you have the chance, because this will once again make it so that you can make more money in the long run. But that's really the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.